Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to change payment currency in Udemy. So simply first of all log into your Udemy account, and after that here you can see this is the main interface of your account. So when you create your account on Udemy, simply you have to select your location like US, Canada, or which country you have been operating. So simply when you select the relevant country, so your currency will automatically select. So after that, now if you want to change your currency, simply you have to go here, and now after that just you have to go to account settings, and now here you can see the close account option. So simply in order to change the payment currency, you have to close the current account and you have to open the new account in new currency. So there is no other method to change the currency. So just you have to close your account, and after that you have to reopen your new account in new currency. So in this way you can change currency in Udemy.